Hi everyone. So today's topic is about have or has and where to use those. So first of all, just need to remember this that these are the followed which you have to remember, that is I, we, you, and this they. Now under the has one you have to remember that he, she, it. Also remember that whenever the subject is plural, you will be using this they. And whenever the subject is singular, you will be using has. So keep these tips into your mind and let's just practice some questions over here. So the first question is I dash a blue pen. So I is coming under this have one. So as you can see, so we will be using I have a blue pen. So easy. Second is she dash a cat. She is coming under this has one. So you will be writing over here, she has a cat. Now, the third one. Third is we dash the two dogs. We is a plural. Also, it is coming under this. So, have one. So, you will write over here, we have two dogs. Then the next one is fourth, birds dash wings. Now, observe this that this is s is coming over here, that is it is plural, so you will be writing over here birds have wings. The fifth one is you dash a cat. So over here it is you, so you is coming where? Let's find out over here that you is under which category. So let's observe over here, it is coming you under the have one, so it will be you have a cat. The next is they dash a test. They, let's find out again that they is coming again in under the have one, so you will write over here they have a test. The next is he dash a computer. He is a singular and also coming under the has one, so over here you will be writing he has a computer. It Sarah dashed into USA. So Sarah, where you will write as Sarah is a name. So it is a singular, so it will be coming under the has one. So Sarah has been to USA. It dash a tail. It. So let's see where this it is coming. So it is under the has one. So you will write over here it has a tail. So the last one is the car dash a dent. So you tell me that either has or have will come under this. Thank you.